class today we will learn about emotions, and my first goal is to check how much you already know. Do you know any vocabulary for emotions? For example, how do you feel when you have to write a test?
Nervous.
Nervous, of course. What else do you feel?
Stressful.
Stressed, yes, you're stressed, absolutely. How do you feel when you hear about a tragedy?
Sad.
Sad, good. What else?
Horrified.
Horrified, wonderful. How do you feel when you see somebody you like?
So good.
Good, of course. What else?
Happy.
Happy, yes. Do you feel in love? Of course you do. Now, our idea is to double the vocabulary we already have. A thesaurus is a special kind of a dictionary with synonyms for words. Okay? Alright, so you have thesauruses open. So, can you find a synonym for nervous, please? Okay, do you have any words for nervous? Yes, thank you, Nick.
Anxious and fearful.
Wonderful. Any other synonyms for nervous? What does it say? Agitated, annoyed, right? Okay, can you find any synonyms for sad? Sad. Unhappy, wonderful. Sorry, good. What else? Depressed, wonderful. Okay, so I'd say romantic. Good. Any other? Loving, attracting. Attractive, good. Some works of art, and you will use the vocabulary you just learned to tell me how you feel looking at these pictures. Alright? They're very famous paintings, and this is the first one. It's Guernica by Pablo Picasso. Now, how do you feel looking at this?
Afraid.
Afraid, good. Scared. Scared, good. What else?
Sad.
Sad, wonderful. Depressed, good.
Confused.
Confused, also confused, alright. What about this one? You feel sad when you look at which picture, on the left or on the right?
Right.
Okay, good, wonderful. This is Kofetarica by Ivana Kubilica. How does she feel?
She's happy.
Thirsty and happy, alright.
Satisfied.
Satisfied, good. You've learned some works of art. Now you will try and in groups act out the scene in the painting. You will take one card and then you will select a group of students who will help you act the scene in the painting. No, you are the victim. What happened? Ah, I'm in pain. Ah! Act out. Alright. Thank you very much.
We got the photo screen by Munch. Well, while I was screaming, I felt bad. I felt sad and threatened by other people.
I was in a group where we had to act out the scene from Petarica by Ivana Kubilica. We felt ridiculous because the picture is very funny and the character on the picture seems very satisfied and happy.
How the character in this painting is feeling and why. What are the words this character is screaming? Okay, the first one you said is Homer. How is he feeling?
Terrified.
Why? What is he screaming? Oh my God, where are my donuts? What is he screaming?
March down.
Oh my God, Marge died. I will read you a poem. And when I finish, you will tell me which painting covered today is it describing. Okay? When I'm depressed, I cry. When I'm happy, I smile. When I'm tired, I just fall asleep. When I'm anxious, I clean. When I'm afraid, I grit my teeth. When I'm serene, I drink some coffee. Okay, we have two options here. Some of you think it's the kiss, some of you think it's the Kofetarica. Now, who do you think is right? Anybody? What do you think? Kofetaritsa, it is true. Alright, now I need one volunteer who will read this poem for me in a depressed voice. Taya, could you do it, please?
When I'm happy, I cry. When I'm happy, I smile. When I try,
Tired.
when I'm tired, I just fall asleep. When I'm anxious, I'm clean. When I'm afraid, I grit my teeth. When I swim, I drink some coffee.
Can you find the emotions in this poem? Afraid? Depressed. Okay, we'll start the first one. Next one.
Happy,
Tired.
afraid, serene.
Now, in the poem, I will ask you to change the emotions. You can't have these emotions anymore. Alright? Just delete them, write something else.
When I'm devastated, I bite my fingernails. When I'm amused, I stare. When I'm bored, I lay down. When I'm stressed, I drink tea. When I'm scared, I run. When I'm sleepy, I fall asleep.
When I'm sad, I scream. When I'm in love, I sing. When I'm scared, I draw. When I'm nervous, I drink. When I'm terrified, I hide. When I'm worried, I drive my car.